Hey everyone, today I'd like to make a quick video on how to make YouTube thumbnails for free. This is really going to spice up your channel and add some flair, so let's dive in. The program we're using is called Canva, and you can go to the website in the description box below to sign up for free. A membership is also offered for $12.99 a month that allows you more features. However, everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be for free. So this is the home page, and we're going to navigate to create a design in the top right corner, and YouTube thumbnail is our first option, and that's what we want. We're starting off here with a blank slate, and to the left, there's a list of different templates that we can use that are already set up. If you're looking for a specific style, you can search for a keyword in the search bar, and everything you see with a crown icon is for members only. I usually like to look for a thumbnail that already has what I need, so I can spend the least amount of time editing as possible. So I found the one that I wanted, and I chose this because I can easily replace the robot with a photo of myself and then change the text, and everything else will already be laid out for me. To delete the robot, I'll hover the mouse over the image and its border will pop up. Click that and then go to the top middle trash icon. Now to put myself there, we're going to click on the file on the top left. Click on import files and then pick your poison. Once you found the chosen one, you're going to need to scroll down to uploads. And the one I'm looking for is the most recently uploaded photo right here. Now that we have it, we're going to remove this green background so it blends in by going over here to edit photo and clicking on BG or background remover, and boom. Just like that, very fast and easy. Now I can drag myself over in the corner here and then click the corner and drag out to enlarge. A good tip to making thumbnails is leaving little empty space without making it too busy or messy. People viewing it should be able to read it and understand its message quickly and effortlessly. Which brings me to my next tip. You want to make sure the text is big enough to read. I'll click on the word best and change it to make. Shrink this down and enlarge the font. You can view and change the font size, style, and color on the top left, or add effects like shadowing on the top right. I'm going to clean the background up a little bit by deleting these effects that we don't need, and now I'll change artificial to YouTube and move it down over here to the right, so I'm actually pointing up towards something. Now I'll cut the length of the yellow box down a little bit and move on to intelligence, which we're going to be changing to thumbnails. Next, we'll bring the length of this red box down a little bit as well, but not quite as much as the yellow one. This will add a little bit of depth and character. I'm also changing the word websites to for, and now we'll need one more word to finish this. So I'm going to copy this one here, paste it, drag it down, and then change it to the word free. We can leave this white, but I think changing it to yellow to match the box above looks a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and leave the other words as their default colors because they contrast really well against each other and are easy to read. Now the last step is making those final adjustments on font size and location to make sure it really pops. Now that I'm done, I'll click under File again to download it. You can choose from file type, but the default type and size are what you need for YouTube thumbnails, so you don't need to change it. And before I wrap it up, here are a few tips and tricks that I'd like to share that I didn't use in this video. If you don't like the font in the template and want to change it, select Text on the left-hand bar and scroll down to View Options. Once selected, you can change both the size and color. And below that is Brand. This is where you select your logo once created. Then it will show up on the bottom corner of your videos if selected. There's also a draw option that's set up like MS Paint. I've never used it. And last, but definitely not least, is under the Elements icon. This is where you can find graphics, stickers, frames, charts, and more. It also has a search bar if you're looking for something specific. And if you deleted something by accident, you can click on the back arrow to undo your mistake. I hope this video helps you get started on leveling up your YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, save that money.